right, small steps, one thing at a time. At least we have more sunshine today.
We certainly do, and that's going to continue to be a trend. And we'll start to lose the wind.
Okay.
Yeah.
Slowly.
It's funny. It was one of those days I feel like where if you're sitting in your car and you're in the sun,
Perfect.
you feel the warmth of it, but as soon as you get out,
As soon as you open that door,
Yeah.
it gets caught by the wind.
definitely.
All right, so slow change in the wind.
Yeah, we will improve that over these next few days. But if you're headed out this afternoon, just know it is still going to be gusty until tonight. Some gusts in the 25 to 30 mile per hour range. The wind will ease though for both tomorrow and Thursday, and there still will be some sunshine. Mostly sunny tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds coming up on Thursday. The next chance for any widespread precipitation is Friday, and it still doesn't look like a big deal at this point. Just some showers. So most of us in the sunshine right now south of the mountains. What's happening here in the western and northern mountains is the wind bumps into the mountains, the air rises, generating those clouds. So that's why we're still mostly cloudy up here, but the rest of us south of the mountains seeing a lot of sunshine right now. 46 in Wiscasset, not sure you'll feel every degree of that 46 with the wind, but we are getting into the mid 40s on the south coast and parts of the mid coast. 41 in Bangor, and still 27 in Rangeley underneath the clouds right now. Portland with the strongest gust at the moment to 33 miles per hour, but that wind will start to ease. Two things: storm system weakening way up here over Canada, and high pressure coming in from the west. Both of those will allow for our winds to lighten up. You do see a storm system here in the Ohio Valley, but that scoots out south of us. We're not going to see anything from that tomorrow or Thursday. So for the rest of the afternoon, mostly sunny in central and southern Maine. Still some cloud cover that hangs on in the mountains and up north. Then tonight, temperatures will drop into the 20s for most of us, and the wind will be easing up too. Low temperatures by tomorrow morning, 24 in Portland, 22 in Bangor, and 27 degrees in Augusta. Mix of sunshine and clouds on the way for tomorrow. I do think in the mountains you'll see more sun because the wind won't be as strong, helping generate those clouds. Temperature-wise, though, pretty similar to where we are out there today. Most of us getting into the low and mid 40s in central and southern Maine. Portsmouth, Kittery, the warmest spot at 46. And with more sun in the mountains, we'll recover back into the 30s to near 40 from Rangeley up through northern Maine. So that's a nice thing about these next couple of days. Tomorrow we'll have more sunshine and less wind. Thursday, a mix of sunshine and clouds, but we're still looking dry with a light wind, and temperatures pretty similar, low to mid 40s again on Thursday. Next storm system to watch is on Friday, but it just doesn't look like much at the moment. If this system offshore and this front came together, we'd have a better chance for more widespread precipitation, but just doesn't look that way now. So some showers develop on Friday, and if they come in early enough in the day, it may be cold enough for some wet snow in the mountains and up north. I don't think there'd be much accumulation though. And then this all dries up heading into Friday night. And right now, our weekend looks pretty good. We just don't see much change in the temperature. So the wind really drops off here these next couple of days. A little bit breezier on Saturday, but nothing like the wind we've had these last 2 days. For the afternoon, seas 4 to 6 feet on the water, small craft advisory up until 7 o'clock this evening. So sunshine, blustery out there today, a calmer wind tomorrow and Thursday. Some showers possible on Friday, but at this point, I don't think there'll be a whole lot out there. And then right now, Brian, the weekend looking pretty good.
Okay, if we can get to Tuesday and still hold on to the looking good for the weekend, I
Right.
feel like that's moving us in the right
I
direction.
agree. Yeah.
All right, more sunshine all week. Looks good. Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.